Chiki Art! Hey kids, get ready to be super creative because we are going to be drawing and painting nail art. Let's start off by drawing a square and nails. And the fingers. Let's do the same on the other side. Upside down. So we have two sets of fingernails facing each other. Let's add the designs now. A heart with stripes. Next, a star. Let's do triangles for this one. And how about a cute little flower? For this one, some wavy lines. And at last, some zigzags. And now we paint. Red for the heart, of course. And then yellow. Then turquoise. Then green. And then pink for our stripes. Now some pink to go around our star. And yellow for the star, of course. And some purple for our outside parts. Perfect. How about purple for our first triangle as well? And some green. Why not some turquoise too? And some yellow. And last, some pink. Wow! Next one, the zigzag one. Let's start with some green. And then on to some pink. And lastly, some yellow. Now a yellow wavy line. A red one. Orange. Turquoise. And green. Right, the last one now. A pretty pink for the flower, I think. And a yellow base. Some red. And green for the stripes. And turquoise for the middle of our flower. Let's paint the fingers with a peach colour. Wow, that really makes the nail art stand out. Wasn't it so much fun drawing and painting these awesome patterns? Which one is your favourite? I really like the triangle one. And the heart. And the star. And the wavy lines. And the zigzags. And oh well, I think I just like all of them. And we're almost done. There! Our pretty nail art! Goodbye! Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!